Howdy folks, Jeff Hurst here with NorthStar Commercial Interiors, and we're embarking on a 5-part video series entitled 5 Mistakes to Avoid When Buying or Leasing a Commercial Space. Now this first mistake is one that got me a lot. It's trying to DIY, do it yourself. As a type A go-getter, I was that guy that thought I could figure everything out and do things on my own and save a lot of money, and boy, I was wrong a number of times. So in the commercial sense, this is where you find and negotiate everything on your own when buying or leasing that commercial space. But before you go it alone, I'd like you to consider this recent horror story and then the lessons that were learned. So this was a very successful businesswoman who was looking to open a new location for a salon. And having been through the commercial process before, she felt very confident that she was able to find a space, negotiate the lease, and do all of that on her own. So she did her research, she found a great location, and contacted the landlord, who was also a DIYer, and they negotiated the lease agreement themselves. The landlord had even agreed to give her a tenant improvement allowance. And so she felt really good about the win and signed the contract. She had also been through the tenant improvement process before. And so she felt comfortable that she knew exactly how the build out should go and really didn't consider the remodel until after the lease was signed, which is when the problems began to present themselves. After signing the lease, she began contacting general contractors for quotes and was quickly blown away by the costs of a couple of different GCs, and that's when she contacted NorthStar Commercial Interiors. We discussed her unique requirements, and I shared several ideas with her that would lower the costs, speed her time to open, and would actually be better for client and traffic flow. We reduced noise, reduced heat, took heat out of the space, and she was thrilled with our ideas and was eager to get started. Unfortunately, once the final scope was decided upon, the costs were still higher and those timelines were still longer than what she had needed. After much back and forth and renegotiations, the landlord reneged on his part of that renovation. And so she was not able to move forward and open for business. Consequently, when that first rent payment came due, there was no business to support the lease. So that space sat vacant for months, and consequently that relationship deteriorated quickly and they were headed towards litigation. So the lessons learned here from this experience: hire a commercial realtor before making any decisions. There are far too many variables at play that can have a direct impact on your success or failure. I'd also recommend engaging a general contractor right away to define your scope of work, to understand the costs and timelines. And so equipped with the tenant improvement costs, the construction timelines, your realtor can negotiate the best possible terms and will help protect your interests. Our goal at NorthStar Commercial Interiors is to help lend our experience so you're making good and wise decisions throughout this process. Hey, thank you for watching our video. Please do me a favor to like it. If you feel like this would be a benefit to others, please do share it also. And click on the next link to watch the next video. Thanks again, and bye for now.